Hello. This short tutorial demonstrates the ease of navigating the CDL Legal Carrier portal. I'll show you how to add or drop drivers, check active driver statuses, and add driver tickets and citations. To begin, log into your portal account. Once logged in, your homepage should look like this. As you scroll through, you see your company's dashboard and driver activity. On the right side of your homepage are two tabs, New Ticket and Add Driver. From these tabs, you can enter a new ticket or a driver. At the top of your page, click the tab My Drivers to view your driver lists. By default, your active drivers are visible. Following the drop-down menu, you can also see your pending and inactive drivers. When you add a new driver through the portal, they will show up in the pending list until the start of your next pay period, at which time they will move into the active driver list. To deactivate a driver, scroll through the driver list or use the search box to find the driver you would like to delete. Click on the blue hyperlink containing the driver's name. In the top right corner, click the button labeled Cancel Membership, which gives a pop-up box with two questions. On the driver's profile, you can also edit or add contact information. Finally, to view your tickets at the top of your page, click the tab My Tickets and Inspections. You are able to see your open tickets, pre-existing tickets, closed tickets, and more. You can also see your inspections and data queue, add a new ticket, and yes, you can add a new driver on this page as well. Under your My SMS Data tab is a summary of your inspections, violations, and other reports. Hopefully this tutorial helps you navigate the carrier portal. Please feel free to reach out to Amy Hack or Faith Jansen at CDL Legal with any questions or suggestions.